Hey there, my name's Taylor Edwards. Today we're going to look at how Clearstory can help general contractors connect their change orders directly into your ERP or project management systems. You're probably used to exporting your change order requests from your email, downloading them to Bluebeam, cleaning up spreadsheets, really hoping that what you've received from your team matches what your accounting or your internal forecast sees. Now let's see how Clearstory's integrations help keep everything in sync automatically for you. So we're going to start here on our COR log. What I'm going to do is select some change order requests that are ready to be pushed into our system of record. So I'm going to go ahead here to this one here from my concrete sub. You can push to multiple different tools depending on what system you use within Clearstory. I'm going to go ahead and use Procore here. All your change order request numbers, your PCO number, PCI change event numbers, those all stay aligned, because then what I can do is I can come right in here, select the change event within Procore that I want to push this to. If you're using another tool, maybe a PCO or a PCI. Click next, and that allows me to add new line items directly, specifically to this change event. Now, I'm going to add a new line item here. I'm going to go ahead and select the code, contract that it applies to. Depending on your system, this will match how you're used to doing it. When I push it in here, that aligns it and pushes the information directly within the ERP that you're using. So for me, it's going to go directly into my Procore system. Depending if you use a custom ERP or a legacy system, we have APIs that can support direct integration to those systems. Now, what's nice here is I can come in here and directly see which change event I push it into, and I can know that what I've captured in Clearstory is captured within my internal ERP. It takes away any entry, mismatch of data, loss of information, allows you to make sure that what's being billed for on a monthly basis actually matches what's being presented to you. And that's it. Clearstory connects all your changes that you've received from the field to your financial system with just a couple clicks. So you don't have any gaps, no surprises, no lost information. If you're ready to learn more and align your field and your office together and your financial teams all in real time, check out some of our other use cases and let us know to set up a live walkthrough with your team.